Hello guys, it's Zatorsky here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go. Today I'm bringing you something amazing, an idea that I wanted to share with you for such a long time. Easy, efficient and cheap way to decorate your own room in a dorm. Quite a lot of students are actually struggling and can't think of ways how to decorate their rooms. However, this cheap and easy way will solve all your problems. It's original, it's decorative, and I think it's amazing and it's quite personal. Let's go. So the first thing you kind of want to do, you want to find the best pictures and put them back together in a Word document. Then you basically print it off, but be careful with the settings and always choose the colors. That is very important. If you're not gonna choose the colors, then you'll get something like this, which I literally can't find a way to express myself. I don't know, just black and white isn't really my thing. So all you need to do is go to the library, print the photos, and sometimes it might not work because the settings will be wrong. So then you need to print it again. If that doesn't work, go to the computer in the library, take the files, and try printing off from the computer in the library. It worked for me, so it might just as well work for you. So all you need to do is cut the photos. Okay guys, so when you're ready with your photos, you can start putting them onto the wall. Yeah, this is actually the most fascinating process in my opinion. I use electro-isolating tape. Don't worry, the photos are not electric. I don't have an electric photos or anything like that. It's just basically that this electro-isolating tape is really nice when it comes to sticking it onto the wall. It won't take the paint off the wall. As you know, students are not really allowed to put any posters onto the wall. I don't know, just the rules. But anyway, electro-isolating tape works very well when you stick it onto your photo and then onto the wall, because you can move photos around. Let me show you. So just wanted to show you guys that it's really easy to take this thing off. You just basically peel it off the tape gently, and then you can move your picture to different place as you wish. One thing I think that you should bear in mind is that the room is only available for a year, so after a year you have to take all those photos down. So you know, if you tape them to the wall, it's a great way, you know, to maintaining the quality without sacrificing, you know, the look of your room. But anyways, you can always take the photos and redecorate your room next year, which I will probably do since I have loads of photos on my wall right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, comment down below what are the ways that you decorate your room, and don't forget to follow the Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter if that's something what you're into. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. I'm not kidding, I will be more frequent with the videos. Promise. Peace. See you guys later.